Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix if you are having issue with can't turn off airplane mode in Windows 10 or Windows 11 laptop. Let's fix that problem guys. For that, go to search menu and type services. Right click on it, select run as administrator, and in service you need to search for radio management service. Double click on it, and if the startup type is manual you just need to select automatic, and if service status is stopped you just want to start it and apply and OK. And after doing this, right click on the radio management service and select restart. Hopefully you can able to turn off your airplane mode guys. If you can't turn it off, let's move on to the next solution. For that, go to search menu and type device manager, open it, in here you need to expand the network adapters guys section and select your network ethernet or anything Wi-Fi or ethernet. Just want to right click on it and select properties. So you just want to go to power manager tab guys, power management, and you just want to uncheck the box in here, allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Uncheck it, uncheck the option and select OK and close out of here guys, and attempt to turn off airplane mode you can able to guys. And you can also try, if not getting turned off, you can also try pressing Fn key and airplane simple key guys in your keyboard. Fn key plus airplane key, airplane symbol key. You just need to select both of it at the same time, and hopefully that can able to turn it off guys. That's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.